Surprise!
Holy shit!
Tommy, no!
Someone ate the wings. Who was it?
Did you do something bad and I just haven't found it yet? Yeah, well, basically. Okay.
He's nice. You like the cat. Did you just wake up from your nap?
Hurry up! Wait, slow down! Oh. Now somebody, anybody, everybody scream!
Have you ever wondered if someone was actually